Howdy everyone, Sheet 60 Hotshot Adventures. Today, I'm going to talk about campers. Since it's that season, everybody's getting their campers de-winterized, getting ready for the camping season coming up, or looking to purchase your first camper. Since I do private transport for campers, and those who do like seasonal campgrounds, like most of them don't have their own personal trucks, etc. So I want to talk about camper weight. Generally, out when you're buying a camper or etc., you got on the sticker you got a dry weight, and you've got a GVWR, gross vehicle weight rating. So what does that mean? The dry weight is usually how much the camper weighs after the manufacturer is done manufacturing the camper. You know, no fluids, no propane, no additional accessories, you know, no personal gear, just a box on a frame. So when you're buying a camper and you're looking at the dry weight, hemi truck or SUV, etc., haul this, like, oh, this is only a 6,000 pound camper, dry. But however, the GVWR, there's so many letters, the gross weight of the camper is like, let's say 12,000 pounds. That means that's what the frame of the camper, the axles, and the tires are physically capable of handling at max load. The weight of the camper, full of water, full of gear, personal belongings, that is the max amount that that trailer chassis can handle safely. So overall, that number really doesn't mean much to most people. So the general rule of thumb that I've come to find is you take the dry weight and you add 1,000 pounds. On average, you know, going down the road after you've owned your camper for a while, that 6,000 pound trailer can now become a 7,000 pound trailer. Maybe you got your 2 tanks of full propane, you got personal belongings, you got your bedding materials, you got your dishes, you got your snacks, your beverages, maybe you got an e-bike, you got your kids' toys, all that extra stuff eventually does add up to being some weight. So for the most part, take the dry weight plus 1,000 pounds. That'll get you to about how much your camper will probably weigh in about a year or two. In my case, when I'm out there, you know, I do more along the private RV transport. The difference between that and what a normal RV transporter does is Bill buys a brand new camper from Elkhart, Indiana. So they'll hire John from, I don't know, one of the RV companies. He'll drive out to Elkhart, he'll pick it up, and he'll deliver it to your home or a campsite. 9 out of 10 times for him, for those transporters, they're just transporting an empty, dry weight camper. For me, I usually end up moving campers that, you know, have been lived in for many, many years, like fifth wheels. I've moved many fifth wheels that is their permanent home. So when you're hooking up to that camper, I don't worry about that dry weight sticker. I look at that gross sticker, because I've seen these the storages on some of these people. I mean, they're packed. These people, you know, this is their life. They live in this camper. They're moving their home, and the camper is completely full. Every nook and cranny, the storage, completely full. So when I move in the camper, I need to know the gross weight, which on average is, you know, for most campers I deal with, are between 15,000 and 20,000 pounds. So wanted to put that out there for those who are buying a camper. You know, just take that dry weight, add 1,000 pounds, and that'll, for the most part, be the weight of your camper that you'll, depending on the size, that'll be the weight of the camper you'll have to worry about. So I'm going to end the video there and not get too crazy into discussions about anything else on this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, I will put them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them.